Hey guys, it's Laura, your favorite insurance agent. And in this 10-minute video, we're going to analyze your auto insurance policy. I recommend having your policy readily available so that we can review the coverages together. So let's get started. The first limit is liability, and this provides protection against any lawsuits brought against you in an auto accident. Most policyholders have a split limit policy, meaning that you'll see 3 different limits under your liability coverage. The first limit will represent per person. So for example, the maximum limit that your insurance company will pay for each person that brings a lawsuit against you in an auto accident will be $25,000. The middle number represents the total accident. So for example, if the accident costs $60,000, the maximum limit that your insurance company will pay will be $50,000 and you will be responsible for the remaining $10,000. And the last limit represents the physical damage. So the maximum limit that your insurance company will pay to repair the other party's vehicle will be $25,000. Some policy owners have a combined single limit policy, which usually provides more coverage. This type of policy only has one limit under liability, but this limit will pay out for each category. For example, $100,000 will be paid out per person, $100,000 for the total accident, and $100,000 for the physical damage. The next coverage is comprehensive, which provides protection for anything other than collision with another vehicle. For example, if your car caught on fire, if you hit a deer, if there was theft or flood damage, this would all be covered under comprehensive. Collision would provide protection for physical damage to your vehicle if you hit another vehicle. The standard deductible in New Jersey is $500, meaning that you would be responsible for $500 before insurance paid out on any claim. If you have a financed or leased vehicle, you have to maintain full coverage, meaning that you have to have comprehensive and collision. Once the vehicle is paid off and you are now the owner, you can remove collision to reduce your premium. You can also remove collision and just have comprehensive, but you can never have collision without having comprehensive. Uninsured and underinsured coverage provides protection if you're hit by somebody who has no insurance or if they have less coverage than you do. This limit cannot be more than your liability limit. Most policy owners maintain this limit as the same limit they have for liability. The next coverage is your personal injury protection, also known as PIP medical. Most policy owners have a $250,000 medical limit with a $250 deductible. If you maintain health insurance through your employer, you may be eligible to reduce your premium by changing them to your primary. All you have to do is call the 1-800 number listed on the back of your health insurance card and ask, in the event of an auto accident, would you cover my medical expenses? If they say yes, the next thing you would do is contact your insurance company to see if they allow this change. Most companies do, but not all. If you maintain the state insurance, then you would not qualify to have this done, and you would have to maintain your auto insurance policy as your primary PIP. Along with providing medical expense benefits, PIP would also provide income continuation, essential services, and death and funeral expenses. You could increase these limits if you'd like, or you can just keep the limits that automatically come with your policy. The next coverage is your tort option. Most policy owners have the standard limitation on lawsuit, and this just means that you would only sue if the accident resulted in serious bodily injury, such as dismemberment or death. The other option is no limitation, and this gives you the right to sue regardless of the injury sustained, even if it's something minor. Selecting this will result in a higher premium. Most policies automatically include emergency roadside assistance, which would provide coverage if you ran out of gas or had a flat tire, for example. Not all policies do, but they do offer it. It is affordable, and I do recommend it. Most policies also provide transportation expense, which would cover a rental vehicle up to a certain limit due to a covered claim. In the next section of this video, we're going to discuss discounts and other ways that you can save on your auto policy. The first discount that I recommend is the Defensive Driving Course. This is an online course that can be completed at your leisure. It's approximately 5 hours long, but you don't have to complete it all at once. You can save your progress as you go. Once you complete it, it provides a 5% discount on your auto policy for 3 years. If you have any points on your motor vehicle records, completing this course will also help to remove 2 of those points. Many companies offer a discount if you connect a beacon to your smartphone or to your vehicle. This discount can range from 10 to 20%, and it allows you to view your trips to encourage safe driving. With Progressive, it's called Snapshot, and with State Farm, it's called Drive Safe and Save. I would recommend to contact your insurance company to see if they offer this type of discount. Majority of companies offer a young driver discount, such as Good Student for maintaining good grades, Miles to College if they're away at school without a vehicle over 100 miles from the residence, and 6 hours behind the wheel at a driving school. Some companies offer their own young driver discounts, such as State Farm, known as the Steer Clear discount, where they just have to watch some videos and log their driving experiences to receive a discount. Other common discounts available on auto policies include accident-free, accident forgiveness, age 65 and older, and bundling home and auto. I recommend contacting your insurance company to see if they offer any of these discounts. There are many factors that calculate an insurance premium, such as your age, where you live, your gender, your marital status, the vehicle you have, what kind of coverages you have, how long you've had insurance, how long you've had your driver's license, if you've had any tickets, violations, or accidents. So just keep in mind that no 2 insurance policies are alike when you're comparing yours with your family or friend. I hope this video has helped you gain a little bit more knowledge on your auto policy. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns that you may have. I can be reached on my website at www.yourfaveinsuranceagent.com. Thanks for listening. I'll see you next time.